everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Hey, it's time again for the Hershey RV Show. We're having a meet and greet just about 30 minutes south of the Hershey RV Show. The dates are September 10th through the 14th. We are going to be at the Star Barn again. Those of you who are at the Star Barn, it's a historical, beautiful venue, and we're going to be there. Here's the units that we're taking down there. This is our plan. We're going to take a unit just like this one. This is our popular 42 MD with the mid-den. Very popular floor plan. We're taking a front living floor plan, a 44 FL. We're taking a 48 FB. That is our largest toy hauler with the 16-foot garage. We're also planning on taking a 38 GFB. That's with the half bath and the full bath in it. So hey, sign up, register, make an appointment to see us in September from the 10th through the 14th, just about 30 minutes south of that famous Hershey RV Show. So give us a call. Click on the link that's provided in this video so you can register. Also give us a call if you don't want to register online, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com. If you go to the About link, up in the main menu, you'll see a Hershey meet and greet link, and you can register right there. Hope to see you there, and we'll have a great time visiting.